All right, we had just a quick tip from the WCB. I had several people who wanted to see how to jump weld a toe clip onto a saddlebred shoe, a big old saddlebred clip to keep the package in place. And we just took a drop, a piece of 3/8, 3/4, and a shoe that's about in the process of where it would be whenever we want to jump weld the clip. The center punch mark is the ground surface. I always try to weld on the ground surface, so I pull the weld tight. So we'll do that real quick. All right, we just got a piece of 3/8, 3/4, and I'm just gonna draw the clip out real quick. Just kind of getting it thinned up a little bit. One more heat just to kind of clean it up and scarf it. All right, all I'm going to do is just try and pulverize that center punch mark. I want to have plenty of material there to where I can meld that in, just pull it in and kind of knead it in. If I get it too thin, it'll always crack right there. Just going to clean this up and put nice lines on it. And then I'll just kind of get this a little thinner because this is going to go into the thick stock, so I want that to go in fairly easy. When I bring it out, I'm going to set it right in there, and then I'll fold the other side, but it's very important that I get these pushed back in on both sides, that first weld. Otherwise, it doesn't have a good strong weld. Bring it out, set it in there, and get it stuck really good. And then I want to come over here and get this side stuck. When I got them both stuck, you can see I got it angling out so I don't burn the tip off in the fire. All right, I'm bending it up as I'm hitting with the heel of my hammer. I'm bending it so that I'm starting to get that bend in there. Then I'll come in here and pull with the heel of my hammer to get that in and to get this in. Then you can get it straight just by tilting it one way or the other. Now I'm pretty much ready to bend it over. You can see I've already got it started that direction. Alright, so I got the toe clip down. I'm just going to come through and safe the toe, and that's going to just kind of make sure everything's in there just really nice. Now we'll just bring it out and bend it onto the heel of the horn and be done with it. I mean, the heel of the anvil and be done with it. And then just, what you can do is just blend your scarf in there. Blend your scarf in there. And you're ready to roll. With a few drops and a little bit of practice, they go on really, really quick. took the file to it, and you can see you really can't even tell. And you get to safe the toe on most of those. They come, Daryl told me they come mostly halfway through the web, less reach, more knee, and all your pollution's on the backside where you're going to put the pad. So it really is a clean, easy way to do it.